Welcome back to another one, and today starting by the tests. The sound that you are hearing right now is being recorded by the Gaming X Trust FORTA, the new gaming headset from Trust, and it's not every day that we can find a gaming headset that it's also capable of creating content with the quality that you are hearing. This was one of the things that surprised me most, and I could actually record the video like this, but I do believe that you are used to this format in terms of image, so I didn't want to disappoint you, but I really wanted to show off this feature, which is a great audio quality. Now, if by some reason we don't like the audio that the microphone captures, can just remove one microphone because it's detachable and then place in another microphone. In this particular case, I'm using my Sony microphone plugged in right over there, so we can change the audio. I honestly believe that you will not be disappointed by the sounds that this microphone will give, but we have the freedom to put any other mic. And now I have the Sony microphone connected to my Sony camera and the Trust still connected to my laptop. And the sound that you are hearing is still from the Trust. Now, if you are listening to this on your Windows computer, Windows 10 or 11, and you still haven't activated, don't forget to check out KeysFan, where you'll be able to find official OEM keys at an affordable price, and with the coupon code that you can see on screen, you will get an extra discount. So I will also leave the link down below. And in terms of tests, I wanted to compare my camera and microphone with the headset, because I've done the test of recording the headset, but I did no comparison at all. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to switch to the sound of the camera with the microphone so that we can see if there's a huge difference or not, and if this could be used to create your content, video conferencing, and besides that, your gaming sessions. Let's get back to the Trust, and once again, let's get back to the camera. And now just with the camera so that we can talk a bit about the Gaming X Trust. Now, first of all, it has the PS logo right over here and also on the case, but if you have an Xbox or a PC, you will be more than fine using it. Now, in my particular opinion, the best way that we can use for gaming with a gamepad such as this one, which is an Xbox gamepad, is that we can just connect the 3.5mm cable to the gamepad, and then I can play right over here. I can play upstairs on the Xbox or any other device. I can also play on my Windows PC without any issues, and as you could see, I can also use it on a Mac, so I don't see any limitations in terms of operating system or computers or console. Some might say that I don't want to use it because it has the PS logo and I'm not a fan of PS, and we know that there are kinds of people like that. I only use Xbox, I only use PS. It's not me. I only use those that give me the quality to achieve my purpose. And in this particular case, this one actually, after seeing this video, probably I could use it to create my content or for a video conferencing call with high quality. Now, let's talk a little bit about the phones itself. The design is really simple. In terms of build quality, is great. Usually the manufacturers do have attention with the lower parts of the headphones. These are both on top and on bottom. They are very soft, so very comfortable. We can use them for a long hour session, and we can adjust them right over here. In terms of the length adjustment, is the ones that I do enjoy, newer ones, no noise at all, and we can adjust in a millimeter scale, so as you can see, really cool. Ear pads are very comfortable as well, soft, so you will be able to put them on your ears, adjust them like this and like this, and there we go. I can stay here for quite a few hours, no issues whatsoever, very comfortable. And if you have ears similar to mine or even bigger, you will be more than fine using. The build quality is great, it's simple. We have right over here the input for the microphone, the input for the 3.5mm cable, the volume rocker, and then a mute and unmute button for the headset. No battery whatsoever, so no power. We just need to plug it in. So basically this is it. These are the new FORTA gaming headset from Trust. I will leave a link down below with all the specifications that you can find. I'm not aware of the price because they are newly released, but as soon as I can I will post a link down below as well. Hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.